Hi guys, and welcome back to Techanorakuk. So I've got for you today the review of the Earfun Free Pro 2 ANC wireless earbuds. I've got it there to read, there's no need to stutter as I just did. But yeah, so I've had these for about a week, guys. I've got to say, I'm not that impressed with them. They weren't sent to me for free, I've bought these with my own money. But yeah, we'll get into it, we'll go over this now. So one thing I do really like, it's a nice little box, which is a bit of a refresher because I'm used to these big fat ones. That's a Soundpeats. This is another Earfun, another Soundpeats. So yeah, you know, quite refreshing. Nice thin little case. You've got USB-C charger, and you've also got wireless charging. So there you go, guys. It's gone green. That means it's charging, and a little indicator light, if you can see, that's come on as well. Don't know if you can see that. I'll put it that way, so it flashes when it's on charge, basically. Cool. Okay, so that is also a Soundpeats, an Earfun product. I got a bit of a deal where I got both for about £45 altogether, but these were about £60 to £80 originally, and that's 20 on its own, so you know, good deal. Okay, so let's go over the features. So they've got active noise cancellation, 6 mic noise cancelling call as well for clear calls, 30 hours playtime, so you're going to get 7 hours playback with the case, and then you can probably top it up 3 or 4 times. With ANC turned on, you're going to get about 5 or 6 hours really. So they've got IPX5 waterproof, so not the highest rating, but you know, it's going to be fine for the gym, etc. Sweat shield technology, as it says, so you can't really submerge these or anything. It's got single earbud mode, right or left, so that doubles your charging. You can just wear one, keep one in the case, you can still play your music. It's got that hybrid active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, 6mm drivers. They're pretty loud. These are not as loud as some of the other earbuds I own that are a lot cheaper, in fact, but they're still pretty loud. Yeah, as we said, multi-mode noise cancellation. So it's got transparency mode, so basically it activates the microphone so that you can hear what's around you. So if you work in an office and you want to still talk to people, you can put that on, and obviously the microphones amplify what's around you. Or if you're walking, it helps you stay safe if there's cars around, etc. Because you'll be a bit more alert. Yeah, so 30 hours playtime. Sorry, so 6 hours. That's with noise cancelling turned off. 5 hours with it on. 24 hours with the case. We've gone over the IP rating. As we said, it's wireless charging compatible. Intuitive touch controls. Yeah, they're alright. I don't like touch controls, I prefer physical ones. Let's see what's in the box. Bits of plastic. Ah, right, okay guys. So when you get them, this bit of plastic, it looks like a Batman sign or something, or a rubbish little mustache. That is sat over the charging pins inside, so I didn't realise that, and I think a lot of people won't. So basically they're dead when they come, that's unusual. You don't normally have a dead battery on earbuds when they come, but it's because that plastic's breaking, you know, the connection. Okay, so yeah, just a little tip that. Okay, so what else we've got in here? So big bit of foam. Okay, I've actually not opened this yet, guys, so let's have a look. So we've got how to clean your earbuds, that's beautiful. Okay, extra tips. All right, cool, so I didn't know that, so you've got 4 lots of tips because you've already got some on there. So you've got small, bit bigger, medium and large. There's your books and stuff. Don't care about that. What else we got? Oh, great. So you've got your cleaning thing. Clean your earbuds. Okay. So, like I say, I don't like the fit of them. And I'm not totally happy with the sound volume. I want them to be louder. Just to spoil it for you. But, yeah, okay. So, you've got slightly different. They're more sort of wingtips. They're little wingtips. These are big ones. Yeah, I'll go over the review for you guys, but like I say, I'm not really happy with them. I thought they'd be a lot better for the money. So yeah, I don't think these would help the comfort either. All right, guys. So yeah, so let's get into this. So, like I say, I'm not really happy with the fit, but they're a bit of a funny shape. They're quite a long bean, and yeah, this one in particular really hurts my left ear for some reason. The right one hurts a bit, but this one, you know, it's not the best. So let's get these in. We'll do a few tests. All right, guys. So I've got one of my favorite songs to work out to in the gym. So this is yeah, Skrillex and Damian Marley. It's a dubstep song, so really bassy. I'm gonna put it in ANC mode, just make sure it's in that mode because that's when you get the best audio experience. Okay, so you can switch between the modes by pressing and holding the left earbud, and there we go. So we're on noise cancelling now. I've got it on full volume, and I'll talk you through what I'm hearing. Okay, so not the loudest in the world off the bat. Okay, the tracks come in, bass is in. It's nice bass, nice detailed. It's not too thumping. Yeah, best way to describe the bass, it's a bit like hearing a speaker flex. You know, like it's a really detailed sound. It's not just a muddy bass. So the bass on these is really good. I just want more volume. I find I'm doing that. It's just not loud enough. So on a scale of 1 to 10, loudness wise, they're about a 7. You know, I like my earbuds. I'd rather have them stupidly loud and then be able to turn them down, so it's comfortable. I don't like that. I've had that with other earbuds in the past, and that's one of the reasons it's going back, along with the fit that's already starting to hurt my left ear. All right, guys, so we've got Earth, Wind and Fire on. This is a tip I've picked up from El Jefe, who's the best YouTuber for earbuds and headphone reviews. He's awesome. So just pause it just so I can talk just in my brain. So yeah, basically this song, it's got, as you can see, keyboards, trumpets, vocals, obviously, drums, electric guitars. So basically what I'm doing now is testing the dynamic range of what it's like for a full sound stage. So whether it can pick out, or you can pick out, the individual instruments. So we'll see how detailed this is. Yeah, so good separation. You can hear those trumpets, as you saw, like all the individual instruments. It feels, like I've said on another video, that it's not just basic speakers that are pumping out tinny sound to you. It feels like you're at a concert, or you're somewhere that's got a really good sound system, basically. So yeah, although they're not the loudest, they're very detailed, very bassy. It might not to be your taste, to have might not to be sounded Shakespearean. It might not be to your taste to have extremely loud earbuds, but like I say, I would rather them be really loud and be able to turn them down. It's a bit of a deal breaker for me. Okay, so here's a picture just to show you the fit. So the really small earbuds, but like I say, I think the bit that's hurting is that wingtip there. I could change for the other wingtips, but it does hurt your ear canal as well. I just don't like them, basically, guys. I really wanted to like them because they came well recommended by Flossie Carter and El Jefe, but yeah, they just don't suit me at all. So yeah, just to summarise, guys, so they're not the loudest earbuds in the world. As I say, that's the reason I'm going to send them back, along with that fit. It does hurt my ears anyway. They might be good for you. I mean, the good thing about earbuds, or any products, you're going to be able to send them back within 14 days normally. So that's what I'm going to do with these myself, and buy a different pair of earbuds and bring a review to you soon, most likely. But yeah, like I say, that bass is really good. It's got the nice wide sound stage. But for me, the ANC, it's okay. It's not going to be cutting out plain noises, and you're still going to hear speech in an office or when you're on the commute, if you're on a train or a bus or whatever. But yeah, for me, I don't think they're the best, and yeah, that's what I'm going to say about that. All right, guys. So as I said, yeah, not the right earbuds for me, but let me know what you think in the comments as always. If you want to ask any questions about these, I will be returning them, but yeah, I have got them for the next few days if you want me to do any other tests. All right, so thanks for watching. Techanorakuk out. Take care.